So when I talk to you guys, I don't talk to you as Taekwondo people. I'm talking to you as a martial artist first. So if you look at yourself as a martial artist first, and your only objective is how do you become better at what your martial art is. No, your expression of martial art. Not Taekwondo, but your personal expression of whatever that is. So you have to look at it as a martial artist, and how can I improve my game? Right now we're talking self-defense, so how do I improve my game? When you have that mindset, you have to look past styles. You have to look past systems, because all that shit doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is how you get home. So when you have that mentality, you're always going, oh, I want a little bit of this shit, and I want a little bit of that shit. So when I did this as a Taekwondo black belt from Wolo and came into JKD, it's like a little fat kid that gets thrown into a candy shop. You're like, there's so much. So the reason why you kick the thigh is because the Thai boxers does it best. You don't need to do head kicks, the thigh is open. And who kicks better, low kicks? Thai boxers. So that's why you do Thai boxing. So the next one. Usually I would extend this, but now we're just going to keep that because now I want to show you all the cool shit. So this is where the magic happens. So, alright, so we'll take one reference. When I do my gunse and I do my back fist here. Anyone get me so far? Alright. Now, in Filipino martial arts, there's a concept called sectoring. This is a beautiful concept. Sectoring is this. When you hit somebody, there is X amount of ways they can counter. Right? I do my shuffle kick, he goes back, right? There's counters for that. So in Filipino martial arts, there's something called sectoring. Sectoring just means if I hit you, you have X amount of ways to counter me back. Now in sectoring in FMA, what you do is you learn his counters, so when he does it, it's game over. It's a fucking awesome concept. So what you do is this. Now, come closer. Now I'm going to put my hand up like this, okay? Anything in here, on this is sector 1, zone 1, sector 1 is here. Anything behind my hand, that's sector 2. Anything that comes on this high line, anything that comes on this hook line, that's 3. Anything that comes underneath is 4. So anything in front of my hand is 1. Anything behind my hand is 2. Anything that hooks on this wide line is 3, and anything that does an uppercut motion is 4. You get me so far? So when I do my back fist here, what is the chances of him punching here? Not really, right? Okay, so not really. He can do 2, 3, and 4. He's not going to punch you in the area that you're hitting. You get me? You get it? All right. So we'll start with second. When I go here, this guy's going to throw a wide look to my face. That's what will happen. When I go here, first the hook, now, this is where all your magic happens. When you hit him here, right? As he hits, you set this hand like that. Just put it in the way. If you're done with choke, you remember you have your tansa. You have this motion, sir. You go here, this one blocks this head. Okay? Actually hit it here. When you do your vertical elbow, you can hit the bicep, you can hit the deltoid, you can hit the sternum, you can hit the face. That's better. The only thing you need to make sure is your elbows and your other elbows is aligned. So you're not doing like this, but you're hitting them together. Keep them like T-Rex. When I do this, closer, right here. Boom. There. When you hit this, see there's a window here? You don't want to keep it open because then he'll counter punch you right down that little window. So when you're doing your elbow, you want to keep this nice and tight. Hit. Okay? Actually, I'm teaching you too much. We have to go back. Sorry. Alright, and those of you that are coming on Wednesday, we're going to go here. This is the blueprint. I'll start this one first. This is easier. Now the blueprint is this. I hit here and I go to my back fist like that. Right? So I did this one. Boom. Now when I step in, I'm going to grab his right above his elbow. And then this one, you're going to put knife hand on his neck. Right? So again. There. Boom. Notice I'm pulling this out and I grab here. Right? When I do this, in reality, you just training you push, but in reality, it's your forearm strike on the neck. You move him one step. There. So you move him one full step. Right? So again. So I'm showing you the blueprint. The blueprint is where you get everything, but there's no counters. That's 1. So when you hit him here, catch him with your fingers, and the first thing you cannot see this knee. Because it's blocked by his vision. Boom. That's your first strike. Second strike, here in Thai boxing, you switch to your snapping elbow right across the face. Be careful because you will cut open the face. So when you do it, just do it like this. It's just pop there. As you hit him here, what I want to do is I want to pull his head down to my hip height. But you know this, if you pull somebody one way, they do what? They pull opposite direction. So when I get this in, bam, and I push, I snap, I do my knee, I snap my elbow. Instead of pushing down, I'm just going to take my hand and slap his neck. So when you slap someone's neck hard, they all do like that. You slap, boom. And then when you get him down here, you push him down. And now you have your buffet of techniques you can do. Number one, shuffle into the chest. Two, shuffle into the groin. Three, shuffle into the thigh. Look inside his leg. Shuffle to the knee to the groin. Or you can switch to the up. Alright, so again, slowly you do this. Back fist. Here, you do a hammer strike on his neck. So he takes one full step. One, pound knee. You cannot see that. Two, he doesn't see this. Three, he doesn't see that. Execute with your last one. That's your blueprint. On Wednesday, I'm going to show you from this to the ground. But right now, we're taking only from the striking part. What's up? On when? Oh, one. So here, good thing, back fist. In reality, we just take a hammer strike, but it gets old for your training part. So you put it here, push it one time. Make sure you catch it with your fingers here. The first shot he does not see the knee. He does not see the snapping elbow, slap the neck, execute with any kind of knee walk. Okay? Just remember, when you hit him here, I don't care what you do. You shuffle to the chest, you shuffle to the chest, groin, thigh, groin, or face. I don't care. It's up to you. Okay? You can do this 10 times now. Go. Okay, when you knee, okay? This is super important. In Filipino martial arts, there's also a little mentality. I dictate everything you do. I decide what you do. When you give this person your last knee, one of these, right? Do not do it here. This is sloppy. Push them down so your arm is straight, and then do your knee. I can do this way, or the Thai boxing way, doesn't matter. You don't want to have it here. Because if you have it here and I pump it into his knee, his upper body, you have another problem. High single takedown. He grabs my leg, and now I'm to the ground. Now it's full guard and jiu-jitsu. You don't want to have it. You want to have it here and knee. So just in case he grabs it, you can strip back and continue your fight. Yeah, you can recover faster because your hips and your lower gravity is lower. When you do it like this, like the Thai boxer again, yeah, you have to score. If not, your hips are too back and you can't score. Now, you're on the ground and I go, now you have to do guard. And people go, fuck's guard. That's what you're doing. Okay? So when you give the knee, push. Just start from here. Forget the back flips. Start from here. Push, knee, snap, down, boom, finish. Alright? Don't do all that. Just start from blueprint. Look, you have shit control here. When I push him, right, and he's resisting, he can do this. You don't need this one. It's worthless. You need to grab above his elbow. Here. Here, because now you have control. If you do this, you have a good control. And here's why you need this one. Because in Filipino martial arts, there's another subcategory called Tuma, which is another fancy word for Filipino wrestling. A lot of US police officers, they use Duma because it's a nice art to move a person from point A to point B. In our art, that is usually from point A, elbow, and then point B. So it's a really good art to move people from one spot to the other. When you have him here, and you can't push him, you grab his tricep and his bicep, now you can move this guy. So this position here goes that if you can't, if you move it, now you can move him this way. If I push this guy, he does this, right? I can switch, and I can pull the other way. So that's why you need the grip here. So just in case this fails, you can grab his tricep and his bicep and you step away from his cross. And you people go, why would I push him? Oh, I'm pushing in front of a car, off a bridge. You can push him into a kick. It's whatever. So when you push him, you have control, grab above the elbow, not here. Because he will do this. You have nothing. Continue. Okay? So just grab above the elbow, do the rest. when you get this one, right, you're doing a vertical elbow. It goes up. It's up, pam. I don't care what it hits. I just go here, and then I will get an effect. Trust me. So when you're doing this, when you block this, you're pulling this slightly down, and you're going in there. You don't spike it. You just go up and hit. See how it's reacting? Because it hurts. Bam, then there's your shot. If you miss this one, control the rest of your shots. So as you switch, don't take it as a block. Take it as a receiver, so you get it like this. Don't take it bone to bone, take it here. Because here, if you hit bone to bone, it may go back. You want to catch it on the fat end of your arm, so it stops, and then the destruction is there. See that? It's quick. So you need this as an antenna there. And then now you can continue, alright? When he goes here, you need, boom. Notice this guy is tall, doesn't matter, snap. Pull him down to your height, execute your knee. Okay, so the moment he gets here, up. One more thing. It's also a knife motion. Because that's why everything has to be done in a certain way. Now, I don't know why he's attacking me. But he throws the hook and the motion is this. You're cutting. And then that's your insert. When you don't have it, it's here. So in the Filipino arts, they always teach you weapon first. And you take away the weapon, and the hand motion is the same. Right? You know in Taekwondo, you're doing that side kick with using the side of the foot. You know why you have that? You know that, right? You're kicking like this with the blade. Yeah? Because in the old days, they used to put seashells in their shoes. That's why you kick with the blade of the foot. But you all damn know that when you kick the blade of the foot, you end up spraining your ankle. And look at my Nikes, there's no seashells in those. So that's why you kick with the blade of foot. So when you kick them, you're actually cutting them with your foot. Okay? So anyways. Alright, go.